In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create a basic survey from within a workspace in the Pole Vault system. Here we are at the Home tab for Workspace Test Division. On the left are the current active surveys. To see the full list of surveys and be able to create new surveys, click on the Surveys tab. Here we have the list and the Create Survey tab. Click on that. We name our new survey Employee Feedback, and we have a choice of creating a brand new survey from scratch, copying an existing survey, or building a survey from a template. Here we'll create a brand new survey. So we create the survey, it builds it in the background, and then takes us to the question build page. Here in the question build page we have the ability to modify the title, add a description. We can add our questions to the first section. We can add additional sections after this. Here we'll go ahead and add a question. Here are the current types available. This will be expanding. The first question I'd like to ask is, what is your name? So I'm going to pick a short text response. And I'll type in the question. And I can bold that question. I can require the response. I can modify the width and the maximum length of the response. So I'm going to make it required. Create that question. It's been saved. And return to the survey. So the next question I'd like to ask is, what is your favorite color? So I'll do a simple question this time. We have other options here, but just a simple multiple choice. What is your favorite color? Here I can select either a drop down or items in a row or column. I think what I'll do is leave it in a column and require a response. And we'll create the question. Once we've created the question, it notifies us that we need to add some response options. So here I'm just going to add a couple of options: red, green, blue. You'll also notice that in the response options we have the ability to add a score. We can indicate whether or not this is a negative response, and when follow-up is enabled for the survey we can trigger a follow-up notification. So now we have added these three options and we're going to return to the survey. So now we've got a very basic survey with two questions, and we want to take a look at what this survey looks like when the user will receive a link to it or attempt to take it through an anonymous method. So we preview the survey, and that's what it looks like. So we can modify this header, we can move this title into the header. There are other options that we can do here. So on one of the future videos we'll dig into the different types of questions that you have, the ability to give them the option of typing in other, and things like that.